Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and then click on Bluetooth next to the switcher. Finally, hit Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear next to Connected Device. Click on Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device and following all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!